Hello there. Welcome back to this podcast. My name is Wycliffe Nyafwanga. I want us to look at something that I also believe is the current conversation, not only in the fundraising field, but in academics, in research, and other areas. That is the issue of AI. How do you ethically use AI in writing proposals? How can we use AI ethically in writing proposals? Now, the truth is, AI can be used profoundly to increase the quality of your document and increase the propensity of winning a technical proposal evaluation process. The idea is not to use AI entirely, but to use the knowledge that AI has provided to build or to strengthen your proposal. So, what are the ways that anyone can use to increase their chances of winning grant in the proposal? So I'm going to give you around 6 ways, and I will mention them very fast. Number one, you can use AI like ChatGPT to evaluate call for proposals. You just take the document, whether it's PDF or it's a website, and put in the AI and tell AI, please analyze for me this CFP call for proposal. Tell me the key fundamental areas that are very, very important for anybody who seeks to win this proposal. What should I understand? What should I know? AI will highlight for you areas that are very specific so that when you are developing that proposal, you can put more emphasis on these areas. So that is number one. Number two, which actually should have been the first one, is that you can use AI to evaluate your eligibility criteria. Because many people are applying, so there is no need applying when you know that you don't meet eligibility criteria. So you can take your profile, you can take your website, whatever you are about your organization, and you evaluate it using AI. Tell AI, please, can you go through this document vis-a-vis the eligibility criteria that has been set apart by the donor, and tell me if I qualify, and if I don't qualify, what are the areas that I need to improve to qualify. So that is also an area you can use AI. Then you can also use AI to analyze the donor's funding portfolio. What kind of programs do they fund besides the information they have already given? What have they funded in the past? What are they looking for? What are the current issues that enthrall them, that excite them so much? So you use that to understand the donor dynamics. You can also use AI to identify what I call the storytelling prose, the nomenclature, the terms that the donor prefers. When you are writing to a donor using their own terms and their own terminologies and their own phrases, they're at home reading your proposal. And that might be the icebreaker. And failure to do that might also be the deal breaker. So ensure that you can use AI to tell AI that please analyze the CFP and the organization in general, identify for me the most common terms, phrases, the storytelling prose, the identity of the organizations, and the competitive advantage that we can get. Number 5, you can evaluate your now completed proposal. You take your proposal, put it in the ChatGPT, take or any other AI platform, take the call for proposal, put it there, and tell the system, evaluate for me, check for me whether this proposal addresses all the requirements in the call for proposals, and identify the gaps. The system will do that quite well. AI will do it perfectly and tell you that you have done well, but you need to improve this area, and go ahead and change those areas. Then finally, you can also use AI to mark your proposal. Tell AI that suppose you are to rate this proposal final document from 1 to 10. 1 is the least, 10 is the best. How would you rate it? After they rate it, if it's not satisfactory, ask the AI what are the areas of weaknesses that I need to improve so that I can reach 10 or at least 9 point something. Then it will give you that, and you will review and do it again and again and again and again until your proposal is satisfactory, packaged together to convince the donor. Realize we have not proposed that you use AI to write a proposal. That is unethical. And most donors now have the system to detect that. So don't risk. You can use AI, however, to help you boost the quality of your document and increase significantly the probability of you winning the funding from such a donor. We want to thank you so much for joining us. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you for your support and see you in the next podcast. Bye for now.